3 months ago, I could barely do 30 push-ups without collapsing. Last week, I hit 92 in a single set. And no, I didn't take anything weird or train for hours every day. I cracked a code that most people completely miss, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. What's up, everyone? If you've clicked on this video, you're not satisfied with average. You want to shatter your push-up plateau and join the elite few who can bang out 90+ reps like it as nothing. Today, I'm breaking down the exact system that took me from struggling at 30 to dominating at 90+. Stick around until the end because I'll share the biggest mistake that's probably killing your progress right now. The truth about high-rep push-ups. Here's what nobody tells you. Getting to 90 push-ups isn't about doing more push-ups. Mind-blowing, right? It's about training your muscular endurance, not your strength. There's a massive difference. Most people train wrong because they treat push-ups like bench press. That's mistake number one. Your muscles have two types of fibers: fast twitch for explosive power and slow twitch for endurance. To hit 90+ reps, you need to transform your chest, shoulders, and triceps into endurance machines. And that requires a completely different approach. The 4-phase system. Let me break down the exact system I used. Phase 1 is foundation building. Start wherever you are, whether that's 20, 30, or 40 push-ups. For 2 weeks, do 60% of your max reps, 5 sets per day with 2-minute rest periods. This builds your baseline without burning out. Your muscles adapt to volume, not intensity. Phase 2 is progressive overload. Now we add 5 reps to each set every week. This is where most people quit because it feels impossible. Push through. Your body is smarter than you think. It adapts when you force it to. Phase 3 is greasing the groove. This technique changed everything for me. Instead of exhausting sets, do 50% of your max reps multiple times throughout the day. 10 sets if you can. You're teaching your nervous system efficiency. Your muscles learn the movement pattern so well, it becomes automatic. Phase 4 is the peak week. 1 week before your 90+ attempt, reduce volume by 40%. This is called tapering. Your muscles repair, strengthen, and prepare for the ultimate test. Rest is when growth happens. The secrets they don't tell you. Breathing is your secret weapon. Breathe in on the way down, breathe out on the way up. Sounds simple, but when you hit rep 60, your breathing pattern determines whether you make it to 90. Perfect your form now, not later. At rep 70, your form will break down if it's not rock solid from rep 1. Tight core, straight back, full range of motion. No shortcuts. Mental conditioning separates the 90 club from everyone else. Your brain will scream, "Stop," at rep 50. That's not real failure. Real failure is when you physically cannot push up. Train your mind to recognize the difference. I started visualizing hitting 90 every single night before bed. Sounds crazy, but it works. Nutrition matters more than you think. Your muscles need fuel for endurance. Complex carbs 2 hours before. Stay hydrated and don't skip protein. You can't out-train a bad diet. There it is, the complete system to crush 90+ push-ups in 1 set. This isn't theory. This is exactly what worked for me and dozens of people I've coached. Start with phase 1 tomorrow. Film yourself, track your progress, and in 12 weeks, you'll shock yourself with what you're capable of. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content. Drop a comment telling me your current max, and I'll personally respond with specific tips for your level. Now stop watching videos and go do some push-ups. See you in the next one.